Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to end a meeting in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So basically, to start a meeting, we need to go to the Teams window or the Teams panel. To do so, you will need to search in your navigation tab here in the left, search for Teams, and then you will go to the team that you want. Here I have this team that is called Meet, and you will need to join a meeting, for example. In my case, I'm going just to start a meeting or create a one, so I can show you how to end the meeting. So I'm going to click on Meet, join now, and now a meeting is being created. As you can see, this is the meeting preview or the meeting window. So basically, to end a meeting, if you are the host, either you can leave or you can click on this expand option and click on end the meeting. And if you were just a participant, all you are able to do is to click on leave. So it depends on your role of the team or the meeting. So I'm going to show you here in the participant tab. Here you will find the role of your account in this meeting. So basically here I am an organizer of this meeting. There are two roles that can end the meeting this way, is the organizer and co-organizer. So basically, if you are just a regular participant, all you will be able to do is to click on leave. So here I am a host or organizer, so I can end this meeting and I'm going to click end, and as you can see, the meeting has been ended successfully. So basically and simply, this is how you can end meetings in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.